Okay, so here is the Mueller coffee pot that I got. It is a 12 cup, and you do not need to buy filters. It actually has this that you just dump out and wash. It has on the side so you know how many cups to fill up. Overall, I do like it. Right here is the one touch button. You just flip it to make it come on. You flip it to make it go off. I do like it. For the money, it is great. It does not have any settings for you to like program it to come on at a certain time or anything like that. It does have an automatic shut off. So after it's been on for a little bit, it will shut off by itself. The pot is nice. It pours easily. It doesn't spill. So overall, for the price, I do think it's great. So we'll see. We'll see.
You go check it out and see if you might be able to actually finish it today.
Oh,
What you looking for?
nothing. I'm just taking a video of the pot.